Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto rice at home. Cook rice until tender and fluffy, then cool slightly. Combine prepared basil pesto with warm rice gently so grains stay separate. Add a squeeze of lemon and a pinch of salt to brighten flavors. Stir in toasted pine nuts or almonds for crunch. Serve warm or chilled as a side or main with grilled vegetables or proteins. Making pesto at home is fast and rewarding with the right technique. Start by washing and drying basil leaves thoroughly to avoid watery pesto. Add garlic, toasted nuts, and grated Parmesan to a food processor and pulse to combine. Slowly stream in olive oil while blending until you reach a slightly textured pesto that will cling to rice. Taste and tweak with lemon or salt, then set aside for folding into warm rice. Assemble your pesto rice by transferring warm rice to a large bowl and adding pesto a spoonful at a time. Fold gently with a spatula to avoid mashing the grains while ensuring even distribution of sauce. Mix in optional add-ins like roasted veggies, shredded chicken, or white beans to create a satisfying meal. Finish with grated Parmesan, lemon zest, and toasted nuts for crunch, then serve warm or pack for lunch the next day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.